Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, here I'm Hendriko Yudatama Iswahyudi from MKN 203 under the guidance of Mr. Igede Ariutama who will present a government program that has just been released, namely the Voluntary Disclosure Program. This program seems interesting because it is classified as a rare policy. The first thing we will discuss in this session is the definition of VDP. The Voluntary Disclosure Program or VDP is a program that provides an opportunity for taxpayers to disclose their tax obligations that have not been fulfilled voluntarily through the payment of income tax or PPH based on undisclosed asset or disclosure of assets that have not been reported in the 2020 personal income tax return. Okay, now focus on the main point. What is the benefit of VDP? The first thing, the VDP program is free. Really free at no cost at all. The second, no subject to sanction in Pasal 18 ayat 3 of the Tax Amnesty Law or UU Tax Amnesty of 200 of underpaid income tax. The third, data or information originating from SPPH and its attachment that are administered by the Ministry of Finance or other parties related to the implementation of the HPP law are not used as the basis for investigation and or criminal prosecution of taxpayers. After knowing the benefits of VDP, of course, more and more people want to join. For that, we will now see who can participate in this program. Personal taxpayer who can participate in VDP policies 1 and 2 are first, disclosing capital or asset obtained 1 January 1985 until 31 December 2015 that have not been disclosed when participating in tax amnesty from 2016 until 2017. And then disclosure of asset acquired 1 January 2016 until 31 December 2020. So, what does 11%, 8%, and 6% here mean? This means that in policy 1100 from foreign asset, 800 from repaid foreign asset and domestic asset, 600 from repaid foreign asset and domestic asset, which are invested in SBN or downstream or renewable energy. The treatment for policy 2 is the same, only differs in the tax rate, namely 18%, 14%, and 12%. And then don't forget the VDP period is 1 January to 30 June 2022. Without further ado, we will discuss directly how to join the VDP program. It's very easy. Just 1. Log in the official website of DGP. The second, downloading VDP 2022 form. The third, fill out the VDP form. The fourth, make payment and then send VDP form to DGP. We will discuss in more detail on the next slide. Okay, next slide. Okay, the first, log in to the http://djponline.pajak.go.id page. After entering the profile page, click Feature Activation, then select by ticking Voluntary Disclosure Program. After successful logging in the DJP online account, select Create Report menu. After that, in this menu, select SPPH Report, then Download. After successfully downloaded, check the download result on Adobe Reader DC. After that, on the first page, fill in the VDP form according to the title, which consists of Net Asset Details Debt List. If you follow Policy 1, then the year of acquisition is filled with 1985 until 2015. If you follow Policy 2, the acquisition years is filled with 2016 until 2020. When finished filling everything, scroll back to the top, then click Submit. Next, make the payment. After completing the payment through the reception bank, select the payment menu and select Already. If the payment amount is correct, send the SPPH via Send SPPH button on the draft menu earlier. The last step. Finally, submit the SPPH that has been paid on the DJP website. It doesn't feel like we are at the end of the presentation. In essence, VDP is here to help ease the burden on taxpayers' debt and help increase revenue during the COVID-19 pandemic. So, don't forget to register for VDP. Thank you and see you in the next time.